What's up, guys? I have this really cool opportunity to try for the very first time. This is the Nimbus by Chaos Audio. This is a really a first prototype. And I have the opportunity just to play around with it, have fun with it, test it out, give some feedback, but also just make some videos with it while I have it. So today I'm playing my J Mascis Jazzmaster, obviously pretty heavily modded. Had it refinished in a nitro black. These are Revel custom pickups. I love them. They're like PAF 50s style. I've talked about them in another video, but they're really nice. Put a USA Fender vibrato on it. And yeah, that's been pretty much it. I'm loving this guitar, but this thing's really cool. Like I said, it's an early prototype, but the premise is it's an all-in-one box. So kind of like the Spark, but a little bit more capable. This one has two separate inputs. Both of the inputs are combo jacks, as you'll see with some B-roll, and you can, just like the Stratus that I've talked about on my channel, you can set up a virtual pedal board that has amp simulation, overdrives, reverbs, boosts, the whole thing, like amps and cabs, delay, fuzz, modulation, dynamics, which include like boosts, compressors, all the things. They have a POG style like pitch, poly pitch thing, reverbs from just simple room reverb, spring reverb to very ambient stuff. They got overdrives. My favorite overdrive is the Daily Driver, and they have that on here. Super cool. Tube screamers. They have like a Greer Lightspeed style. They have a Klon, obviously, like a Germanium boost, which is really cool. Germanium drive. King of Tone style overdrives. All sorts of things. Some distortions. Super cool, and they're always releasing things. And you can make your own effects if you know how to. So super cool platform. But to bring it over here, you have a 70-watt speaker right here, dual speaker system with two inputs. You have USB MIDI, USB-C audio interface. You have a 9-volt power. So if you wanted to pedal like just a couple of, if you wanted to power a couple of pedals off to the side, you can do that just from this thing, which is really cool. It has a built-in looper, and it's just super cool. And then it's also a Bluetooth speaker, as is. So you can just play music from it, play along with music, which is really cool. Yeah, it's a really cool concept, and I'm excited to see it come to life. Right now, all the features aren't fully functional, so I can't really show you too much of that just because they're not fully functional. But you know, let me see if I can just play some music. Playing some music. Let me put my mic in front of it. I mean, it's loud right now. It's right now my watch is picking up 81 dBs, and I'm at 45% volume, and I'm at 45% volume, and it's 85 dB. So really good, really loud. It says it's 70 watts. So I can see you bringing this to a small venue and it being plenty enough for a guitar or an acoustic, and then plugging it straight into with a microphone or something like that, and you being able to do everything that you need to do. So super cool. Let me just play some just examples of some things that I found while testing this thing out. So So yeah, I can pretty much just do any of the effects that I use on my pedal board with the Stratus, but with a speaker and with an audio interface and with 2 inputs and 2 outputs on the back, which is really, really nice, really, really cool to see. Of course, I'm not judging this thing fully as is just because it is a first prototype, but I'm excited to see what this thing becomes. You can pre-order one on their Kickstarter right now. I think it's $150 off the what's going to be the MSRP of Nimbus, but yeah, super excited to see what this thing is going to become and how I'm going to use it, because I feel like I'm going to use this for practice, because I can just plug in my pedal board but into both inputs and have a stereo FR on the go that's super, you know, super portable, super small, but really loud, with a built-in looper. And if I want to throw any effects that are just post my pedal board, I can. And I can even use this as my audio interface, which is super, super cool. So looking forward to just doing simple stuff like that. So yeah.